How to inactive channel on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to inactive channel on your Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then click go to your server, and now click this one, and then to go to the setting click this one, and now you need to find overview, this one, click on it, and now all you need to do is just click this one, inactive channel, and now choose anything you want, like gaming or general, and as you see now we have an inactive channel. Then click save, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.